Union Minister for Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal launched the National Single Window System for investors and businesses. The minister said that this single window portal will become a one-stop shop for investors, ushering freedom from the legacy of running to government offices for approvals and registrations. First, let's understand what is a National Single Window System. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, along with Invest India, initiated the process of developing the portal as a National Single Window System. A National Single Window is a customs portal where traders can submit all documents relating to trade and can access all relevant information regarding trade via single electronic gateway. All solutions on this portal will be there for all one click of the mouse through end-to-end facilitation. This would bring transparency, accountability and responsiveness in the ecosystem where all information will be available on a single dashboard. Simultaneously, an applicant dashboard will also be available to apply, track and respond to queries. The National Single Window System will provide several services like Know Your Approval (KYA), Common Registration and State Registration Form, Document Repository and e-communication. The beta version of the portal has now been completed and is being opened to all stakeholders and the public as trial soft launch. The beta version of the portal under phase 1 has approvals from 18 central departments and 9 states and is aimed at guiding investors to the list of business approvals they may need, based on information provided by them. Another 14 central departments and 5 states will be on board by December 2021 under phase 2. Since the government is determined to improve India's business climate as one of the key focus areas, this NSWS will provide strength to other schemes such as Make in India, Startup India, PLI scheme, etc. The portal will progressively onboard a greater number of approvals and licenses based on user industry feedback. Though extensive testing by ministries and state is ongoing, the portal will continue for the next 3 months to stabilize and optimize the platform. It is critical that extensive feedback from the industry users is accommodated to ensure comprehensiveness and high utility for investors and entrepreneurs. The National Single Window System will mark the achievement of the country for creating a single interface between businesses and government at the national level. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on developments happening in India.